that?
You have a blue
I
nose.
look like Squidward.
Welcome to Dailydoseofdallas. This Sesame Street. Oh, with my friend Colleen. I didn't see her there.
Oh.
Hello. Hello, Colleen. Say hi. Say hi to her.
Hi, everyone.
And this is from Greentoys. Thank you so much. Elmo and Friends, Sesame Street. Wait, I already said Sesame Street. Which the ages are, I think 2 to 8. And what? You're 14.
Hey, it's dough, okay?
Yeah. Who doesn't like dough?
Yeah. Who
Let's
doesn't
open
like
this.
dough? I don't think there's an age limit to dough, is there?
Yeah. Here's the faces, both sides.
There you go. What's that?
I need scissors.
Oh, okay. Here. Wait, I think you just do this.
This side.
There's more stuff in the box.
Oh
Huh?
yeah.
What are you pushing the box out if you don't have everything out of it? There's
For
a
now,
piece of paper.
Mom. For now.
Okay, I think these are like tools to play with.
Hey, that's it. Was that the mark on the wall? Was that already there?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay. Ooh, a
So that's a pizza cutter.
star.
I think you needed the box to say what the tools were.
Well, this
yeah.
looks like a star.
I'm gonna get it.
Well, here's a star. Here's a star. Here's a little tiny holes.
Okay, so this, it says everything right here. The
So,
lid, you read it out and I'll hold everything up.
one pop-out feature.
Wait, get it together, girls. Get it together.
One pop-out feature, Steve.
I think these are the features.
Yeah, they
Pop
are.
them out.
They are. But not yet.
I know.
One pair of scissors.
They're in here.
They're dough scissors.
One dough scraper.
Dough scraper with dough
Scraper, right?
That's really cool. I need them for my other dough set.
This scrape.
One dough roller.
Dough roller. This is it, right? Yeah.
One dough knife.
Nice. Okay.
Do not do that with a real knife. One rolling cutter. One star extruder.
Extruder.
I think this is a star. Yeah, you can tell by the opening.
And one spaghetti extruder.
Once again.
One-sided activity card. Yeah.
There you go.
3 tubs of dough. So you got red, yellow, and blue. Wait. There we
Blue,
go.
yellow, and red. Now we could throw it.
Okay, so let's pop these out. You want to help me?
No, I'll get these open.
Okay.
Oh, we need the
Wait,
scissors
so
back.
doesn't it have an activity on the back of it? What's the activity?
Oh,
This.
right here.
It explains the activity.
We're gonna create your favorite furry friends, and it just shows
Have you
how to
ever
make Elmos.
seen Elmo smiling like that? Have you ever seen that? See? I never saw it. Yeah, never. Seriously, never.
Wow. Okay. Which one do you want to do first?
Well, the main character is Elmo, so.
Let's do Elmo.
And then Cookie Monster.
Oh, we have to do Cookie Monster.
Yeah, we have
We
to.
have to.
Cookie.
Wait.
C is for cookie. Cookie is for me.
Stop! Now I want some cookies. Can I have some cookies, Mom? Where's the cookies? Oh, he's really giving out cookies.
Oh. Okay, don't lose like the faces. Like put them together like that. So
See, yes, my cookie.
Cookie.
Good, I'm a cookie.
Cookie.
I want some cookies.
Cookie.
Oh, get your cookie here. Here.
I want some cookies. Cookies.
Oh, that's Cookie Monster. Here, wait.
See.
I won't.
Okay, we gotta cut.
Well, we finished the cookies, which were delicious.
Very delicious.
Yeah. Well, Cookie Monster went away. Like, probably went away. Oh wait, he's right here.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
So the whole point of this activity box is it's the whole purpose of like the eco-friendly greentoys, the brand. It's supposed to promote sensory exploration. Also develop fine motor skills for young children like Dallas. Also encourages creativity and imagination. So there's actually
How does it smell, Dallas?
Oh.
it doesn't smell perfumey.
Yeah, it's made from organic flour too, right?
Yeah.
So does it smell organic?
Yes, it really does.
Here, let me smell it.
It doesn't smell like the other doughs, like Play-Doh or donuts, right?
Let's play with it now.
Wait, you have to read. Oh.
That's what I was doing.
Oh.
But we'll put the facts and where to get it where?
In the description below. So click it right now. Click it right now.
Right now.
After the video, silly girl.
Yeah, pause the video.
Pause the video.
Pause.
If you want it now, then pause the video.
Okay. So what are you making, Dallas?
Elmo.
And
I'm gonna be doing Cookie Monster.
I guess I'll make Big Bird later.
Like that.
Okay.
I'm gonna save some for the other guy.
Oh yeah, so we gotta mix blue and
My
yellow
favorite
together.
character is Elmo.
Dallas, just half of the red.
You want the roller?
It feels so good though.
How does it feel?
Awesome.
How's it molding? Molding good?
It feels like bonded, like you bonded.
I didn't taste it. I tasted it, but I never really felt it like while I was making
Can we
anything.
put the dough on the activity board?
Oh yeah. Okay.
That's a better way to do it.
Jolene's just taking up the whole table.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, here's all the blue one.
No, she's not gonna use the whole blue.
Yeah,
She's
I'm
gonna
gonna
Oh, here's Cookie Monster. I was rolling over to the guy, which I forgot his name. How can I forget someone's name? Oh my god. It smells.
You gotta cut the
That's Rover.
Yeah, I think it is his name.
And who's the angry guy again?
Angry.
Oscar. Oscar the Grouch.
Oscar.
Yes, the one in the garbage.
Okay, there we go.
Nice job,
How am I
Jolene.
supposed to do this?
No,
I don't want to mess
stuck
it
on
up.
the table.
No. Okay.
We're done.
Okay. I kind of.
Jolene.
I don't want his face to break, but it kind of did.
Oh, it came out perfect. Good job.
It's
I don't know about
well,
perfect.
yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's okay, Mom.
Okay, let me try to fix this poor face.
I'm messing up. This activity board keeps on moving.
Oh, in the mouth. Oh, everything.
What have you done to Cookie Monster?
I'm gonna make it all over.
So you think
again.
you could reuse this stuff too, right?
Yeah, this is
It
yeah.
scrapes off easily.
But as I'm like doing it, it looks like it's kind of staining the eyes, but you just have to keep rubbing it off.
And there's another side to it anyway.
Yeah, there's two sides.
Oh, so you could actually make it standing up.
Oh yeah, like that.
That actually looks like he has a mouth.
Wait. Here, 1 second. 1 second. I'll be right back, fam.
It looked like part of the Play-Doh is his mouth over there.
Wait.
Oh.
What have you done? Oh yeah, he has a mustache.
Yes, it looks like a mustache.
With a little tiny
Okay.
mouth. Okay, so I had to do another one because it was a fail. But it's turning out pretty good this time. Isn't it?
Mhm. I'm trying a new technique. I'm gonna try to use the knife to carve out the face. I mean,
That's what you're... no, never mind.
C is for cookie. Sorry.
Stop!
I get excited about
I
Cookie
wanna-
Monster.
Now I want a cookie!
No more breaks after the video.
Okay, fine.
okay.
Okay, how am I gonna do this? Kiss.
Try the outline.
Okay, this is not looking at all. Oh, it's so cute and small.
Yeah, that was much better than
The
what
first
happened.
one. The
Yeah.
first one.
It was like an oval.
Good job. Well, when you put the face on,
Here, look. Oh wait, but I think it's too big.
looks good.
I think it's.
Perfect.
Uh,
Put his mouth a little underneath his nose.
okay. He has a really big mouth.
I got an idea. Why don't you flatten the circle a little bit?
Yeah, I really do.
Make it a little bigger.
Thank you.
Let me see what you're doing.
Oh, I didn't even realize that we were recording. Okay. So. Actually, I did realize that we were recording.
Oh, yeah, I can't see you. You just go back. Okay. Very good, Dallas.
I'm gonna make a blue star, which is gonna be super weird.
Jolene, the perfectionist.
What happened?
His face isn't perfect. That's for
He's
sure.
perfect right now.
The
Okay,
hard part
it,
is picking
it looks
it
like
up.
a blue poop. Blue poop. Okay, put it in there. I was gonna put it in with that. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Don't want to see it yet.
It's easy, huh?
Yeah, that was super easy. It does not look like a star, but okay. I want to see spaghetti.
Okay.
Spaghetti. It's hair.
Wait,
What
you
is
can't
this dough
see
made out of?
it. Flour and
It's flour, Mom.
yeah.
How can you
flour.
forget that?
Or organic flour.
Organic. Blue unicorn poop.
Yeah,
Wait, isn't unicorn poop rainbows?
if it was blue.
So would you recommend this set?
Yes.
Put some more
Very
in there.
much.
Put some more.
Well, Jolene likes it.
Some more in there. Put some more in there.
Dallas, do you like it?
Yeah, but don't put them together like that. Because yeah, okay. I need it.
So Jolene came up with a technique how to clean the little spaghetti extruder.
And I'm doing pretty good.
Like that.
Wait, put that on my hair.
What?
It's the hair bun.
You look like you got a blue worm on your face.
Put the hair bun.
Jolene, look at her.
Hair bun.
Wait, let's get you some blue bangs then. Right? Okay. I'm gonna make them.
Yay!
Okay.
Yeah, I want some.
Okay, wait.
Wait, I think she needs a haircut now.
Oh yeah. Wait, the scissors.
I can't see anything.
Wait, okay.
Come on here. Come on here.
Wait, actually,
I hear you.
glass.
I can't hair
Okay.
anybody. Get it? Hair. I can't
Chop,
hair.
chop, chop.
Hello.
Beautiful.
They're so small.
Now it's time.
Oh.
Wait!
Mush them together and stick them on your forehead.
Wait.
What are you doing?
Oh my god!
Give you a unibrow.
No! You have a blue
I
nose!
look like Squidward.
Wait.
Your nose is too small.
Pretty good.
We're gonna lift it up.
Now, if you like this video, give a like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye. Oh.
Is there some things over here?
Oh my goodness. Oh, what? No.
Bye, guys.
Let's try to smush the line back together.
Me.